everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Vince Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Vince Realistic Dildo itself. Now this realistic dildo features a realistic ball sack at the bottom just here and a veiny ribbed shaft as well, which is textured for extra stimulation during use. It also features a rounded head at the top just there. It's made of a soft smooth material, so it's very comfortable to wear during use and is also firm yet flexible as well. It's suitable for both vaginal and anal stimulation and is also suitable for a strap-on harness. It features a strong suction cup so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. When using the Vince, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, don't forget to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Vince Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.